Hello, my students. This is Teacher Minna, and our lesson today is subtraction with regrouping. Let's start together, my students. Don't forget, my students, when I start addition or subtraction, I have to start ones with ones and tens with tens. Here, my students, who can remember 34 minus 12? Let's start to make it together. Here I will start ones with ones and tens with tens. All the time start with ones. Start with ones, my students. Here I have 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. What can I do? Close my hand and count from the smallest to reach the greatest. After 2, 3, 4. How many fingers do you have? 2, teacher, yes. And here tens with tens. 3 minus 1. Close my hand and count after the smallest to reach the greatest. After 1, 2, 3. How many fingers? It's 2, teacher. The result will be 22. Don't forget, my students, big minus small. Here another exercise, 57 minus 23. Start ones with ones and tens with tens. All the time I will start with ones. 7 minus 3. What can I do in subtraction? I will close my hand and count from the smallest to reach the greatest. After the smallest to reach the greatest. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers do you have? 4. Yes. Here 5 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 3. Excellent. Let's see another exercise. Here, my students, I have here 759 minus 356. What can I do, teacher? I will start from ones all the time. Start from ones. 9 minus 6. What can I do? Count after the smallest to reach the greatest. After 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 3, teachers. Excellent. Here 5 minus 5. Any number minus itself equals 0. Any number minus itself equals 0. Why, teacher? I have 5 and I will give mommy 5. My mother will take away all 5. So I have what, teacher? I have 0. I have nothing. Okay, here 7 minus 3. Count after the smallest to reach the greatest. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? Very good. It's 4. The result will be 403. Okay? Another exercise, 960 minus 830. Start all the time, start with ones. All the time, start with ones. Okay, 0 minus 0 equal 0, teacher. I don't have anything. And 6 minus 3, what can I do? Count after the smallest to reach the greatest. After 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 3, teachers. Very good. Here 9 minus 8. After 8, 9. How many fingers? Just 1. So the answer will be 100. Don't forget we read from left. 130. Next exercise. Find the result. Here, don't forget to start from ones. Okay? Here, my students, I have 6 minus 7. What? It can't be, teacher. Here I have small minus big. I can't give you 7. I just have 6. How can I make it, teacher? Yes, my students. Let's see how can I answer this exercise. Here, my students, this number 6 will borrow 1 from her friend tens. I will go to the tens place and ask tens place, can I borrow 1 from this 5? Yes, my 5 in the tens place will borrow me just 1. So number 5 here will be 4. Okay? And this 6 teacher will take 1 from tens. So it will be 6 plus 10 equals 16. Again, my students, here 6 minus 7 can't be, teacher. What can I do? I will go to the next door. I will ask my friend in the 10th place to borrow me 1. So I will borrow 1 from the 10th place. So this 5 will be 4, okay? I will borrow 1 10 from 10th. I will borrow 1 10. So 6 plus 10 equals 16. So 6 will be 16. Now I am big number. I can give you 7. So 16 minus 7. What can I do? Close my hand and count after the smallest to reach the greatest. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers do you have? 9, teacher. Now I have 4 minus 3. After 3, 4. How many fingers? Just 1. Okay, 3 minus 2 equals 1. So the answer will be 119. Okay? Another exercise. Here, my students, if I have 786 minus 558, now 6 minus 8, small minus big, can't be, teacher. What can I do? I will go to the next door and borrow 1 from 10th place. 8, can I borrow 1 from 8? Yes, so number 8 will be 7 and this 6 will be 16. So 16 minus 8. Count after 8 to reach 16. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers? It's 8, teacher. Now 7 minus 5. 5. After 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 2. Now 7 minus 5. Count after 5 to reach 7. After 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 2. So the answer will be, my students, 228. Another one. Here 905 minus 346. Start all the time with ones. Start with ones. 5 minus 6. Can't be, teacher. It's small minus big, can't be, teacher. I have 5. I can't give you 6. So what can I do? I will go to the next door and ask 0. Can you borrow me 1, please? No, I'm 0. I'm nothing. I can't give you anything. So what can I do? Wait. I will go to the 100th place and ask number 9 to give me 1, to borrow me 1. So I will borrow 1 from 9, from 100th place. So 9 will be 8. And this 0 will be 10. Now this 10 here, I can borrow 1 from 10. So this 10 will be 9. And this 5 will be 15. Okay? Here I am 15 minus 6. Count after the smallest to reach the greatest. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers do you have? Yes, 9. Okay. Now here I have 9. Don't forget I have 9. 9 minus 4. Close my hand and count after the smallest to reach the greatest. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers do you have? Yes, 5. Now here I have 8 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers do you have? Yes, very good. It's 5. So the answer will be 559. Another exercise. 631 minus 456. All the time start with ones. 1 minus 6. I have 1. I can't give you 6. So what can I do? I will borrow 1 from the 10th place. So this 3 will be 2. And I will borrow 1 10. So this 1 will be 11. Now I am 11. I am big number. I can borrow you 6. I can give you 6. Okay? So 11 minus 6. What can I do in subtraction? Yes, close my hand and count after the smallest to reach the greatest. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers do you have? Excellent, it's 5, teacher. Now I am 2 minus 5. I am 2, teacher. I can't give you 5. What can I do? I will go to the next door and borrow 1 from the 100 place from 6. So number 6 will be 5 and this 2 will be 12. Okay? Now I am 12. I can borrow you 5. I can give you 5. So count after 5 to reach 12. After 5, close my hand, don't forget. Close my hand and count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers do you have? Excellent, it's 7, teacher. Okay, here I am 5 minus 4. After 4, 5. How many fingers? Just 1, teacher. So the answer will be 175. Okay. Here 650 minus 326. All the time start with ones. Don't forget, start with ones. Here 0 minus 6. I am 0. I am nothing. So can't be, teacher. What can I do? I will go to the next door. I will borrow 1 from number 5. So 5 will be 4 and this 0 will be 10. Now 10 minus 6, close my hand and count after the smallest to reach the greatest. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? Yes, 4. Now 4 minus 2, after 2, 3, 4. Just 2, teacher. Here 6 minus 3. Close my hand and count after the smallest to reach the greatest. After 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers do you have? 3, teacher. So the answer will be 324. Another exercise. 500 minus 0. I have to start from ones. Ones with ones and tens with tens and 100 with 100. So 0 minus 8 can't be, teacher. What can I do? I'm 0. I am nothing. I can't give you anything. So I will go to the next door. I will ask here 0 in the tens place. Can you borrow me 1, please? No, I'm nothing. I'm nothing. I can't give you anything. So I will go to the 100 place and ask number 5. Can you borrow me 1, please? So number 5 will give me 1. It will be 4. And here, this 0 in the tens place will be 10. Now I will borrow 1 from this 10. So this 10 will be 9. And this 0 in the ones place will be 10. Now I am 10. I can give you 8. Let's count after 8. Close my hand and count after 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do you have? 2. Now I am 9 minus 3. After 3, close my hand, don't forget. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? Just 6, teacher. Okay. And here 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. After 1, close my hand. After 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers? 3, teacher. So the answer will be 362. 800 minus 543. Here start with ones. 0 minus 3. I am 0, teacher. I am nothing. I can't give you anything. So this 0 will go to the next door and ask this 0 in the tens place. Can I borrow 1 from you? No, I'm sorry. I am 0. I am nothing. So, but wait, I will borrow from my next door. I will borrow from my friend 8. So number 8 will be 7. And this 0 will be 10. Now here I am 0. I can give the 0 in the ones place. I can borrow here. So number 10 here will be 9. And this 0 will be 10. Now 10 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 7, teacher. Here 9 minus 4. In subtraction, I close my hand and count. After the smallest to reach the greatest. After 4, 5. Close my hand, don't forget. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 5, teacher. Okay, here 7 minus 5. Close my hand and count. After 5, 6, 7. How many fingers do you have? Just 2, teacher. So the answer will be 257. Okay? Thank you, my students. Have a nice day.